In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Ga4 with Bigquery in just about 5 minutes. Let's start this journey together by first ensuring you are ready to dive into the analytics world. The initial step is surprisingly simple, yet crucial. Go to Google. Yes, it's as straightforward as it sounds because every great journey starts with a single step. Once you've marveled at the Google homepage for a moment, it's time to click on Sign In, located at the top right corner of your screen. This is your gateway into accessing the plethora of Google services, including the powerhouse analytics tools we're focusing on today. After clicking on Sign In, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Select the account you wish to use for this integration and enter your password. Your choice of account might depend on whether you're doing this for personal learning or if you're managing analytics for an organization. Input your password carefully and hit Next to proceed. Remember, this is the key to unlocking an expansive world of Google services tailored for you. Upon successful login, you'll notice a grid of Google apps at the top right corner of your screen, often symbolized by a group of small squares. Click on this to open up the suite of Google applications available to you. Among these is Google Analytics, a robust tool that lets you measure your advertising ROI, as well as track your Flash, video, and social networking sites and applications. Now click on Google Analytics. It's time to delve into the data mines. However, to ensure we integrate Ga4 with Bigquery successfully, we need to navigate to a specific area within Google Analytics. To do this seamlessly, go to the admin settings. This can be a bit tricky to find for newcomers, so take your time to familiarize yourself with the Google Analytics interface. In the admin settings, there are several options, but we're looking for product links. This is where Google has tucked away the integration settings we're interested in today. Click on product links to move forward. As we're specifically focusing on integrating Ga4 with Bigquery, the next step is to locate Bigquery links within the product links section. This might seem a bit like going down a rabbit hole, but every click is a step closer to completing our integration. Once you've found Bigquery links, the next action is to link your Google Analytics 4 property with Bigquery. Here, you're essentially telling Google Analytics that you want to start moving your data into a Bigquery project for deeper analysis. Now choose a Bigquery project. If you've previously set up projects within Bigquery, you might already have a specific project in mind. If you're new to Bigquery, this might involve creating a new project, which can be a fun expedition into Google Cloud Platform's functionalities. After selecting the project, the next phase involves selecting the specific profile you wish to link to Bigquery. This is crucial for ensuring the correct data is transferred over for analysis. Think of it as making sure you're packing the right set of tools for the job. Click Confirm to affirm your choices. It's a simple click, but it acts as your green light telling Google, yes, go ahead and integrate these tools. Of course, Google likes to keep things clear and consensual, so now you'll be prompted to configure the settings for this integration. This is where you define the parameters of the data transfer, essentially how and when you want your Ga4 data to be moved into Bigquery. Take your time to understand the options available to you, as this can greatly affect how you interact with your data down the line. Finally, it's time to review and submit your settings. By now you've journeyed through the initial setup, navigated the depths of Ga4's admin settings, chosen a Bigquery project, made important selections about your data, and configured how this data integration should behave. And there you have it. Just like that, with a series of clicks and a bit of navigation through Google's intricate web of settings, you've successfully linked Google Analytics 4 with Bigquery. This integration opens up a myriad of opportunities to analyze and interpret your web data in ways that could provide invaluable insights into your audience, their behavior, and how they interact with your content or products online. I hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the process of connecting Ga4 with Bigquery. The door to advanced analytics is now wide open, and the tools to mine deeper insights are at your fingertips. Enjoy exploring the depths of your data, and happy analyzing.